Hi everyone, for today's mini vlog, this is my new DIY necklace. Ayan. So I use yellow color and also this colorful big beads. Ayan. That's in yellow. Then I use the silver wire. Sukat na natin. And this is how it look like. This is a choker necklace. Choker ganing yung mubo lang ba? Cute. And this is how it look like, guys. And I also model my new earring. Yeah, like a Filipino flag color.